actually live right now. The camera every once in a while moving around too, but that is a lot of lightning.
Okay guys, this is one of the most insane lightning strobing events I have seen in quite some time.
Dallas, Texas, there is a giant cloud formation here in Dallas, Texas. And this is insane to look at.
Yo, I've never seen this type of lightning before, and like it's non-stop. Watch this.